Welcome to part 2 on how to deduct your passive losses from your active income. And if you missed part 1, go back and watch it. I talk about the history of this and why we're even having to fool with it. And I talk about deducting your losses from your long-term rentals against your active income. But today I want to talk about the short-term rentals. And they've become quite popular with Airbnb, VRBO. I own one myself. They're great investments. I'm not giving you investment advice though, as a disclaimer. I just want to show you how they work and the requirements behind it. So for a short-term rental, you have to participate at least 500 hours, or you have to participate 100 hours and more than anyone else. So if you're the only one working, you're doing all the cleaning, all the repairs, you should be able to hit that 100-hour mark pretty easy. But if you've got somebody going in and cleaning after each guest, getting ready for the next one, or you've got a handyman coming over when something breaks, those hours all count, and you would have to be more than those hours. Also, the average stay has to be 7 days or less for it to be a business activity. If the average stay is more than 7 days, now you're more into the long-term rental again, and you're back over here having to meet these requirements. So as long as your average stay is 7 days or less, you're good to go on a short-term rental. There are 5 other crappy material participation requirements that you could try to meet, but the 2 that I just mentioned are the best ones in my opinion and the easiest to try to get. If you have any questions on this, feel free to reach out. I'd be glad to talk with you. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.